take advantage of today because I woke up thinking I had to work, but I had it off. So I figured this would be the perfect time. I'm like redoing my room, I'm cleaning, washing, all that. But I'm pretty over this open closet concept. So I'm going to Ikea right now with Andy and we're gonna go look at armoires. I saw some online, but I wanna see them in person, see how big, how wide and everything. But the only problem is they only come in white and I need it in black. So before I assemble and put it in my room, I'm gonna have to paint it. So it's going to be probably like a 2-day process, but I figured I'd take you guys to Ikea and start a whole new week in my life. So yeah, let's go, because she's already here and I hear her unloading stuff, so. So today's Ikea trip was one of the worst. I literally didn't find anything. The armoires that they said they had in stock were not in stock when I got there. And when I tried to buy some online to get delivered to my house, they don't deliver there. Even though there is some in stock 2 hours away, but yet they can't deliver to my house. I don't understand. I don't get it. But anyways, I needed to get one replacement item, and it is this mirror right here. This is my favorite mirror to use when I'm doing my makeup, and they had it in stock. My kitten actually broke this 3 months ago and I haven't replaced it. So this is literally the only thing that I bought at Ikea. I'm literally trying to get ready so quickly because Andy, I thought was gonna take a lot longer, but she didn't. She literally showed up at my house and said, hey, I'm here, let's go get coffee. And your girl is not ready. So I had to throw on just this oversized t-shirt that I got from Forever, leggings, and just my Converse. And I have to take my work computer real quick. But yeah, it is Thursday and I really am so bummed out because I thought it was Friday this morning. I'm going to go try a new coffee spot by the coast with Andy and the baby. I'm sorry, I'm like moving all around because I need to get my bag, my work bag. But yeah, I figured why not start the day a little chaotic, but start it right now. My dream dog. Oh, the golden doodle. So beautiful. You can't picture Lily like a toddler with a dog like that? No, you want to know how I can't picture you with animals? Because you're so mean to mine. Oh, because I don't love them because they're not mine. Oh, okay, got it. Just left the brunch spot. It was so good. I think I did like a terrible job filming because there was a lot of people and I'm new at this, guys. I'm new at this. But now we're just gonna go take advantage of this beautiful day and cruise the Strand. And I wanted to walk it, but she's not down. Why? Why, friend?
I'm not walking.
Okay.
You don't really know a thing about you and I see a parting, but just to conceal it with a smile, smile. So all you lucky ones, what up? You're always on the run, what up? I mean, don't get me wrong, but what up? Or was I not the one you dreamt of? No, no, no. 'Cause the life you live will never be enough. Why don't you stop for a minute? Just relax yourself. This moment will never come back again. It's sad you never thought I was good enough, but I called your ace your kingdom, and it's all a bluff. It's all a bluff. It's all a bluff. It's sad you never thought
I just finished getting ready. I'm going on a dinner date tonight, and I wanted to show you real quick what I'm wearing. All of this is from Zara, and then I just have this trench from H&M. But I figured, why not take you guys and share little bits and pieces of the evening. My ride is here, so let's go.